Now that they have cooled a bit, I'm going to bite into one and show you what it looks like. Add 1/4 cup of butter that has been melted, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar to a large bowl, and mix. Add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix. Scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula. Add 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to a sifter and sift it into the bowl. Then mix until combined. Use a wooden spoon or silicone spoon when it gets thick. Scoop a large tablespoon worth of cookie dough and roll it into a ball between clean hands or wear gloves. Then roll it in about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Then place on a cookie sheet or sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Let cool 5 to 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.